Huy, alam mo bang may bagong update ang Celebi app? As of July 15, 2024, nag-launch nga ng bagong update ang Celebi app. Mapapansin na bago na ang home interface nito. Bubungad na yung seed points, nakalagay na din yung maximum points earned per day, attendance check, self-pick banner, and today's mission like watching popular content, create my short play, predicting the number one winner, and attendance check. Iba na rin ang watching experience unlike before. Hindi na nakadisplay yung accumulative points na na-earn by watching at may selected video na times 2 ang points. May limit na din sa pwedeng i-like na videos, which is 12 likes a day na lamang. Kapag nakapag-like na 12 times, lalabas na tong finalize short play. Once you click finalize short play, then add hashtag. You can receive up to 50 points by completing a short play. Once you go to your profile, makikita nyo dito sa heart tab yung short play na ginawa nyo. May changes na din sa pag-upload, not sure kung good news or bad news to. So this time, you have to set the expected number of likes sa videos mo and earn expected reward after you reach the limit. So ang range niya ay from 10 to 2,000 likes. Let's say, nag-set ka ng 2,000. So, ang expected reward ay 29,000 points na marireceive mo lamang once na-reach mo yung goal na 2,000 likes. Iba na rin ang benefit of each level. Nawala na yung levels 1 to 3. Instead, basic or creator na lang. Maximum 300 points a day for basic. Unlimited pa din for creator. Pero yung watch hours para maging creator, itinaas sa 50 hours per month. Anong masasabi nyo sa bagong mukha ng Celebi? Good news or bad news ba to para sa mga user? Share your thoughts sa comment. Kung bago ka pa lang dito, we do Celebi-related content as a legit user at creator ng app. For more videos, you can go to our profile, select videos, then select Celebi Vlog. Don't forget to follow us for more Celebi videos. Thank you for watching!
Bye-bye!